There are 5 dwarf planets in the solar system. They revolve around the sun. 4 basically living in the Kuiper belt, and smallest planet and the farthest ones. So hey guys, I'm Nisha Jaiswal, and today I will tell information about dwarf planets and moons of different planets. So before wasting time, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. And select to like and share with your friends. So, what is dwarf planets? Dwarf planets are those planets which do not obey 3 rules of being a planet. First, a planet should orbit around the sun. Second, planet would be massive that it can make its spherical shape. And third, to clear its neighborhood. What is clear its neighborhood? The planet who keeps its neighborhood clean and puts the asteroids and comets aside, that planet, that is called a planet. But dwarf planets do not obey these rules. That's why they are called dwarf planets. Moons. Moons are satellites of planets. There are and dwarf planets. There are planets, and it's known that our solar system has more than 200 moons. The planets which don't have moons are Mercury, Venus, and 4 dwarf planets named Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. The dwarf planets are Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, Eris, and Ceres. Ceres is the smallest of the all, and it has some patches from the asteroids like our moon. So, the second dwarf planet is Makemake. Makemake does not have any atmosphere, and it was found in 2005. Third planet is Haumea. Haumea takes 268 years to complete one revolution around the sun, and it's oval in shape because of its revolution. Fourth planet is Pluto. Everyone knows Pluto. You have studied in your class that there were 9 planets. The 9th planet was Pluto. But in 2006, Pluto is not considered as a planet. It's a dwarf planet because it was too much smaller in size. The last and the 5th planet is Eris. Eris is more massive than Pluto, and it takes 574 years to complete one revolution around the sun. Means almost 5 centuries. So now, moons. Moons are the natural satellite of the planets. Planets like Mercury, Venus, dwarf planets like Ceres, Eris, and Makemake, Haumea doesn't have any moons. But Pluto, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune have many moons. Earth has 1 moon. Everyone knows it. Mars has 2 moons. Jupiter has 79 known moons. And Saturn has 62 moons. Gas giants have much more moons than other planets. Uranus and Neptune are not gas giants, but they are ice giants. Uranus have 26 moons and Neptune has 14 moons. And Pluto is the last planet, which is a dwarf planet, and it has 5 moons that are of lots of fun. So guys, this was about the dwarf planets and the moons of the different planets. So I hope you have understood till now that what are dwarf planets and moons. So please wait for my next episode and like my channel, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.